Hey guys, Mike Taylor, broker owner. Today we are bringing you the Westfield market report for rentals for July of 2023. So we are at the tail end of the peak of the leasing season. Kids are starting to go back to school, and really all year Westfield has been a really strong market for us. So let's see if the Westfield market continues to be strong.
Okay guys, let's take a look at the Westfield market report for rentals for July of 2023. Starting up here top left, active homes, 52 homes on the market. It's actually a pretty good decrease from last month. I think last month we had 80 if I recall correctly, so that is a pretty significant decrease in active homes. So that's a good thing for landlords. Jumping over to average days on the market, I don't know, this is a weird number because this is super out of the ordinary for Westfield for this entire year. I'm going to write this off as a bit of an anomaly. I mean, last month we were at 24, then 24, then 21. Highest we've had this year has been 52. So I'm going to believe that this is some sort of weird data point. Put a question mark by it, come back, look at it at next month. But it doesn't make sense also with the number of active homes dropping, from 80 to 50. Typically, you would see the average days on the market follow suit as well and also be dropping. The average days on the market's a little bit more of a lagging indicator than the active home. So I would highly think that next month this is going to fall back into that 30 days-ish range on the market. Wouldn't put too much stock in that, not freaking out even kind of on that one. Because look at average rent is still on the way up. It's up 18% from last year and it's up 4.5% just from last month. And you can see this trend line. Great, it's kind of heading in the right direction. It's going up and to the right. It's following last year's pretty evenly in terms of the trend line. It's just above it from last year, so that's great news. Average rent heading in the right direction. And then we always take a look at average sales price, and again, this is average sales price for homes under $500,000. Looking from an investor's point of view. The average sales price in Westfield is $379,585, and there's 75 of those homes that sold just last month. So there definitely are homes available in the Westfield market that are still in the affordable range. I mean, that may seem like a lot if you're from Indy, but from other areas of the country, gosh, that's super affordable still. Under $400,000 is unbelievable, and you can get a nice house in an amazing market. Westfield's a great market, great schools, all of that. So I mean, that's still an absolute bargain in the grand scheme of things. And then how that the average sales price $379,585. That is actually down slightly from last year, 3% down, but then up just ever so slightly, 0.5% from July of 2023. So kind of flatlining a little bit in terms of the average sales price. But overall, again, the Westfield market appears to be very, very healthy, great market to invest in. So we'll just keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on these days on the market, and hopefully that's just a weird stat that just kind of is a blip and didn't make a lot of sense. So we'll keep an eye on it and see what happens in August.